All rise. Judge Vanderbeek Court is now in session. Judge, this is case number 1004, Sauer versus Moffitt.
Thank you. You all may be seated. Okay, Ms. Sauer?
Yes.
You brought this case before the court. What's going on?
Well, George and I were engaged to be married. However, that did not. We broke up. In the process of being engaged, George adopted my 9-year-old son, Travis.
Okay.
And even though we're not going to get married, I would like to seek child support from George for Travis, please.
Okay.
In Judge Faith's courtroom, emotions run high in Sauer versus Moffitt. Miss Sauer is demanding child support from her ex-fiancé, George, who legally adopted her son, Travis. But with no marriage ever happening, is George still responsible for support, or can he walk away? It's a legal battle filled with questions about love, responsibility, and the law.
Any objection to that?
Yes, Your Honor.
What is the objection?
Well, we were engaged. It was great. Her kid Travis he's really sweet.
Wait, her kid?
You
adopted him, right?
I'm not the biological father.
He's not.
adopted
but
him,
you adopted Travis.
Yes, I did. Yes, I'm not denying that I did adopt Travis.
So Travis is your son too?
Technically, yes.
Okay.
We were intending on marrying. I had a panic attack, Your Honor, a month before the wedding, and I ran out.
Okay.
I left. And we never got married. I don't make a whole lot of money, and
I'm not following you.
I don't really see Keely. I don't see Travis much these days.
He misses you, and I miss you.
I'm not following you. You adopted Travis legally. He's your son.
Yes, Your Honor.
Which means you should be paying child support for him.
I probably should.
Probably?
Have you ever done something that you maybe freaked out about? And
yeah, sitting here listening to your story is freaking me out.
Miss Sauer takes the stand, explaining that while she and George were once engaged, he legally adopted her son, Travis. Even though they've since broken up, she believes he should still help support the boy he chose to raise. George agrees he adopted Travis, but argues he rarely sees him now and can't afford to contribute much. Emotions run high as George shares that he had a panic attack before their wedding and walked away from the relationship. Now the question lingers. Is George truly overwhelmed or just avoiding responsibility? The answer isn't so simple.
I'm a nice guy. I deliver the mail, you know?
Okay.
I in this neighborhood, actually.
Thank you for delivering our mail.
You're welcome. I like it. It's great.
Mr. Moffitt, you came here to waste my time, didn't you?
No, Your Honor.
Obviously you did, because everything you're saying about delivering mail in this neighborhood and you're a nice guy, that has nothing to do with child support. Travis is your son. You have an obligation to support him. It's just as simple as that.
Are you okay? You're not going to have another panic attack, are you?
Oh.
Okay.
Do you really miss me?
Travis asked about you. I just want what's best for my son.
Wait, Your Honor, can we, what? When is he asking about me?
He asks, he asks at night right before bed. I mean, you adopted him, so,
Why don't you call and check on the child?
Just scared, I guess.
Scared of what?
When I adopted...
Mean to him? I mean, what's the... I feel like I'm missing something here. What am I missing?
George tries to defend himself, talking about his mail route and claiming he's a good guy. But Judge Faith isn't impressed. She reminds him that legally, Travis is his son, and that means financial responsibility. He brings up his panic attacks again, but the judge stays focused on the law. Then comes a touching moment. Miss Sauer reveals that Travis still asks about, George at night. It's a reminder that this case isn't just legal, it's deeply personal. Is this really just about child support, or is there still a connection between them?
I feel like, George just, George does have his panic attacks, but, I just want what's best for my son, and, and I want you to be happy too, George. I do. I want you to be happy.
I'm sorry, Your Honor. I'm sorry.
Oh.
So maybe I was wrong about you and Travis.
Do you want to?
Do you guys want to get back together? You're really making my heart jump over here.
I mean, I don't know. Maybe it's because I've never been in court before, Your Honor, but I feel like, yeah.
Maybe you guys should go ahead and...
Just when things couldn't get more intense, Judge Faith stuns everyone. Why don't you two just get married? The room falls silent. George beams. He still has the ring. Miss Sauer, teary-eyed, says yes. Right there in court, Judge Faith marries them. And with that, the child support case is dismissed. Because in Texas, spouses don't owe each other child support. It's a rare, feel-good moment in family court, where love takes the final word.
Get married. Forget the whole engagement thing. Get married. Then you don't have to worry about child support. Sounds good, right?
Oh my gosh, that's so simple.
Keely, are you?
I still have the ring.
I mean, we could get married right now.
You can do that?
Of course.
Okay, yeah, yeah,
okay, sure.
Yeah, yes.
Okay, Mr. Moffitt, do you take this woman to be your wife?
Yeah, I do.
And do you take Mr. Moffitt to be your husband?
I do.
Okay, well, you guys are married and there is no child support.
Okay.
This is an ending we don't see very often in this court. So once you guys are married, no one pays child support, okay? So if there's nothing further from either of you, you all are dismissed.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome.
After the unexpected wedding, Judge Faith explains the law. In Texas, once parents are married, child support between them no longer applies. What started as a legal dispute ended as a reunion, and a reminder of how the law can sometimes heal, not just divide. This case proves that even in family court, love and connection can take center stage. The video wraps with a heartfelt message. Share your story and subscribe for more powerful moments from the courtroom, because behind every case, there's a human story, and sometimes a happy ending.